Hey guys, this is Jarfy here, and today we're going to be talking about how you can make $10 per day watching videos. Now, this method that I'm getting ready to teach you is foolproof. Yeah, it is foolproof because I've actually used this method. A lot of times when you watch videos like this, or you listen to people like this, they're telling you stuff that they haven't tried or they haven't done personally, but they're recommending it. And some of the websites that they recommend are actually websites that you can make money with, but they just haven't tried it out. I've actually tried out the methods. Anything on my channel I've tried out before, presented it to the people on my channel. So what you're getting on this video is nothing clickbaity. This is actual proof, and I'm actually going to show you payment proof that I've actually done this myself and how you can duplicate the same thing that I'm doing right now. Now, you're going to use a company called MyPoints for this. MyPoints is a way for you to earn points and then trade those points into PayPal cash, PayPal gift cards. Now, if I'm going to show you guys what this is all about, I'm actually going to log in and actually show some of the stuff that I've made. I've made around $75, all the time. I've been off and on. I really don't earn as many points as other people make. You can see some of these people over here earning 25,000 points, per month. So if I was to go over to the if I was to go back to the rewards program right here, and I pull up my calculator, I'm going to see how many PayPal gift cards they can get with 25,000 points. So 25,000 points. Let's just go to the lowest one, $3.97, to get $25 to your PayPal account. They're able to get that 6 times. So 6 times, let me do 6 times 25. 6 times 25. So, a lot of people are making $150 a month doing this. You can earn actually more. It's a method to doing this, which I'm going to share with you guys. But you're not going to make a whole lot of money with this. You're not. I'm just going to be honest with you guys. It's going to take hard work for you to make this $10 per day, the way that I broke it down, the way I'm about to teach you. But you're not going to make a whole lot of money just by doing this. You're going to have to go out into other things or have multiple income streams to build this up. I have different apps, different affiliate programs that I'm a part of that, that I can do a little bit of things per day, to make a big, decent full-time income. So, if you come into these, if you're watching these videos and thinking it's just all your problems are going to be solved, it's not. It actually takes a whole lot of work in order to do this. Once you start building this up, you can start, expanding as much as you can and making a whole lot of money with the system. So I'm going to go back to my document and show you how to do this. You're going to start by watching videos, doing surveys, offers, web search, and more. They have literally a whole lot of ways you can earn money. And some of these are just some of the easiest ways you can imaginable. Here are the videos right here. You can watch a whole lot of videos and you earn a couple of points. Like I said, they have a lot of ways that you can do it. You can take surveys, watch videos up to 500 points per day. So you're going to need about 1,982 points to earn $12.50, which is over $10 per day on my points. So how did I get that number? I basically divided 397, which is 3,970, points. And I divided that by 2 in order to get 1,985 points. So, it's basically, if you were to do 25 divided by 2, which is $25, which is the first payment on the PayPal one, it'd be $12.50 per day if you were to get 1,982 points, which will equal more than $10 per day. So if that's how I just want to show you guys, just to be upfront and honest with you guys, how I got that number. So there's multiple ways you can do. They have super easy stuff that you can come in here. These offers, you want to go to these feature offers per day. Is no limit on the offers, so you can just come in here. I don't know where the offers at. Deals. Some of them call them deals. So it's no limit to how many things you can do with this one. With watching videos, you can only earn up to 500 points daily. So it's a little bit of a cap. With the coupons, you can actually go shopping and print out coupons and use them in stores. So you can, if you're in the United States and you like to do couponing, you might want to go on here. You want to go through MyPoints and get those coupons, because you're going to earn 10 points, I think, per coupon that you use, excuse me. So you might want to go through here. You can get 8 points per game. I think it varies for each game that you do. But if you do all of these things, and you can get to 1,982 points easily, because the deals they have are super easy. Let me just show you this. This is the one that we just came from. This Pillsbury one is worth 80 points. 80 points right here. The only thing you have to do is sign up to receive free emails and yearly coupons. You sign up today and you earn 80 points. This offer rewards instantly. You just sign up with your valid information, and you can only do this one time per user. This 80 points right here, right now. Super easy, super simple. The only thing you have to do is enter in your email address. You can even be an email address you don't use. Just make sure it works, just in case they need to verify some stuff. But you can just do that and get 80 points. And there's more offers in here like this. Betty Crocker, Tablespoon. You just want to see what all the offers that they have to do this stuff. And if you combine this with watching videos, downloading scores, and doing coupons, playing games, you can earn around 1,982 points per day. I've done it. It's not hard. But once you've done that, once you start earning $12.50 per day, and once you get up enough proof that you can actually show people, you want to put this method on fast track. And by fast track, I mean start referring people. So when you refer a friend to MyPoints, you earn 25 points instantly. So not instantly, but I think the next day. It takes a day for them to actually, give you the 25 points. And when your friend spends more than $20 or more using MyPoints, you get 750 points, and then 1,750 points, and then you get $10 bonus points. 10% of your friends. It's not coming out of their points, but they're going to give you a 10% bonus every time your friends earn. It's not taken out of your friends' earnings. It's just a way of MyPoints giving you bonuses for inviting friends. So this is how you can get into affiliate marketing. Referring and affiliate marketing goes hands in hands. You get unlimited invitations, unlimited points, unlimited rewards. So the more people you invite, the more you can earn. So with this, you want to do, when you get your first payment, when you get your first PayPal payment and it comes to your account, you want to show people payment proof by doing a YouTube video, posting it on Twitter, Pinterest, and other social media platforms, and include your referral link. So your referral link is right here. This is my referral link. When you go into your back office and sign up for MyPoints, you have your referral link. You just copy the referral link, and then you show payment proof, and you put your referral link in your description or in your post or whatever. And when people see that you're actually making money with MyPoints, because payment proof is the best thing to use, because if I was to tell you about MyPoints and tell you how to earn money by watching videos and doing other stuff and not show payment proof, you really wouldn't believe me. You really think it's a scam. So when you're able to show people live proof that this works and live proof that you can make money doing this, people will follow you, and people will actually go through your link to they'll become one of your referrals, and you'll earn points by that. Once you do that, let's see how many referrals you would need to get to this $12.50 per day if you were just doing referrals. So let's go divide that by, what is it, 25? And I know it's going to give me an odd number, but you would need about 80 referrals, per day to do that. But if, let's say, you get 1,000 points per day, you will only need 982 points to start earning $10 per day. So if you divide that by 25, if you divide that by 25, you would only need about 40 people per day. And that's very doable. I've actually done it. So, I mean, as far as referrals, I think the most amount of people that I've referred per day was about 100. And that was on a YouTube video, and Pinterest, and all other social media platforms as well. So it's doable. I mean, if I can do it, you can do it. You have to put in hard work. It's not going to just come overnight. You just can't sign up for MyPoints and not do anything. You just can't not do the stuff that I'm telling you to do. It's not just going to fall out of the sky. You have to put in work for it. Once you start doing this and once you start repeating the process, this stuff gets a whole lot easier. Very easy, very easy. Once you start doing this, once you get into that mode of actually referring people, doing what the app tells you, you're going to start earning a whole lot of money. I'm a living witness of that, and it's actually possible. So, and then you can duplicate this same method for a lot of other websites and apps and stuff like that. So it's very doable. I hope you guys do this. This is very, very simple. I've actually earned money this way. I'm giving you an actual method. Hope you guys take this to heart, and I hope you guys take action and actually do this. Don't just watch this video and then leave. The link to MyPoints will be in the description below if I haven't already said that. Go ahead and sign up for MyPoints, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Peace out.